Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and install a game called Fragger 2. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here on your home screen, then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account, then click on the search button right here, and in the search bar typing Fragger 2 and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit till you find the game, so click on that. Now it costs 99 cents, so just click on the blue button, then confirm purchase and installation through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The game is 122 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.